He was literally checking out both tables to see if the cat food was there and not this stuff, which is Milo's leftover dog food, which clearly is inferior to what I was putting out before. I think he's annoyed with me. Maybe I'll mix them. I'll mix. I want to get rid of that dog food, but the crows aren't having it. So I'll give them a blend. Hello, my friend. Yeah, yeah, that crow is incensed with me. He is annoyed. Says, why are you giving me the crap? Where's the good stuff? Yes. Good morning, my stompy friend. Someone else is not impressed with me. Wow. You know, I shouldn't have got out of bed this morning. Yes, how dare I sit in my yard? Oh, oh. The yard that I work so hard to maintain and to possess so I can fill it with food for you to eat and resent my presence when I try and enjoy it. Ah, but you're so cute. Well, come and get it. It's not going to go to you. As I said to myself while I was trudging down to the basement to put the washy clothes in the dryer. They're not going to magically jump in there, dryer themselves. Well, if they did, I'd be very impressed. Why I just hummed Hail to the Chief there, I have no idea. But anyway, isn't this subconscious an interesting thing? Where are you? There you are. Yes, we are bizarre and complex beings. Driven by all sorts of equally bizarre and esoteric subconscious impulses. Pretty. Well, I'm happy to see these guys. Oh, someone made a move. Da 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 da. Milo and I had a very nice walk this, even though it's kind of cold, as you can tell from the noises I'm making. I'm wearing my noisy coat, my noisy winter coat. Noisy coat, noisy coat. It's not my fault. No. Because I want to be warm. Because it's damp and gray and not very nice out. It's great when you're moving, not so great when you're sitting. Milo is a very good boy today. I saw my little red friend moving back here. Now I seem to have lost him. Right up here, right about there, I got a... Well, I mean, it wasn't as clear as I'd like it to be. A video of our mystery raptor. So that'll be a short going up tomorrow, which is actually today. But you'll see it tomorrow. Only now you're listening to me talking to you about it. You'll be You know what? I'm just going to leave it. Somebody is really mad. Look at the stompy feet. Wow. Okay, come on. You want to go? You want to go, buddy? You want to go? I'm not scared of you. No. You want to go? Let's go. I'm not as scared of you. I call the Monty Python defense. I'll bite your legs off. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now we're getting into it. Now we're getting into it. I have another buddy over here. Doot, doot, doot. Baby Stitch. Doot, 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 doot. Boop. My little red friend. My little red friend. He's coming, look out. Maybe not. Oh, you're up there. Oh, you're coming over here to yell at me now. Is that all you got? Eh? There's another squirrel over there. Oh boy. Which way you going there, son? All right. Okay. Well. Okay. So I think that's as good a note as any to end this on. Hug your babies, count your blessings. Oh, look, they're sparrows. Have a nice day.